A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a dramatic turn of events, President-elect Donald Trump is making a bold move to dismiss the Georgia election interference case against him, claiming that as a sitting president, he is immune from criminal prosecution. Trump's attorney, Steve Sado, presented this argument to the Georgia Court of Appeals on Wednesday, asserting that local prosecutors should not interfere with the official duties of a president. The case, which involves Trump and 18 co-defendants, has been on hold as the legal team challenges the jurisdiction of the state courts over Trump once he assumes office again next month. Sado's 5-page notice emphasizes that a sitting president is completely immune from indictment or any criminal process, state or federal. He argues that the prosecution is unconstitutional, particularly in light of what he describes as compelling evidence of local bias and political prejudice against Trump by the Fulton County District Attorney, Fani Willis. Sado contends that Willis is acting against the will of Georgia citizens, as evidenced by the recent election results that favored Trump. The Georgia case against Trump and his associates stems from a sweeping racketeering indictment alleging efforts to overturn the results of the 2020 presidential election in the state. Trump and his co-defendants pleaded not guilty to all charges, but the case has been complicated by the fact that 4 defendants have taken plea deals, agreeing to testify against others in exchange for reduced sentences. The legal proceedings have been stalled as Trump's team seeks to have Willis disqualified from the case, citing her prior relationship with a fellow prosecutor. Although Fulton County Judge Scott McAfee declined to disqualify Willis, the case remains paused while the appeal is pending. An oral argument that was initially scheduled for December 5th was unexpectedly canceled, leaving many in the legal community speculating about the implications for the case. In addition to Trump's appeal, former Trump campaign lawyer Kenneth Casebro, who pleaded guilty to a conspiracy charge, is also seeking to invalidate his plea. Casebro's involvement in the case adds another layer of complexity, as he was one of 4 defendants who accepted plea deals following the indictment. His attorney argues that the plea should be invalidated due to the charge being tossed out by Judge McAfee, stating that it violates Casebro's constitutional right to due process. The Georgia case is one of 4 criminal cases Trump is currently facing, and it is considered the most extensive. The U.S. Department of Justice's special counsel, Jack Smith, recently withdrew federal cases against Trump, citing long-standing policy that protects a sitting president from indictment. This has raised questions about the jurisdiction of state courts over a president, especially as Trump prepares to take office again. As the legal battles unfold, the political landscape continues to shift. Trump's attorneys are pushing for a swift resolution, urging the appeals court to dismiss the indictment before he officially returns to the White House. The implications of this case extend beyond the courtroom, as they may influence public perception and Trump's political future. In summary, the Georgia election interference case against Donald Trump is at a critical juncture, with his legal team arguing for dismissal based on presidential immunity. As the appeals court deliberates, the outcome could have significant ramifications for the former president and the ongoing discourse surrounding election integrity and legal accountability for public officials. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.